Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review a product which is Pond's White Beauty BB Cream. This is all-in-one BB Plus Fairness Cream SPF 30 PA++ natural cover with Gen White cover formula. It comes in a card box packaging, pink and silver shiny packaging. Inside the box you can find the white collar tube with silver cap, which looks quite attractive. The tube is travel friendly, smart capping. Texture of the product is quite thick and creamy, but actually this baby cream easy to blend and the cream is non-greasy formula. And it doesn't feel heavy on face. Fitness of the product is very mild, which I like about the product. The BB creams glide smoothly on the skin. Little amount is enough to cover all over the face. The best feature of the cream is a SPF rating, which is SPF 30 PA++. Price of the product is 245 Indian currency for 30 gram of the product. In Nepal it costs 350 on discount rate. So it is affordable product. Now talking about the coverage, it evens out the skin tone very well, but it doesn't provide any coverage. It doesn't conceal dark spots, but it brightens up your skin very well. It gives you a glow on your face. It doesn't look cakey at all. It gives a very nice smooth finish. Overall, I really like this BB cream. Out of all BB cream available in this price range, it gives nice natural glow and little varnish too. I like about the product is it is non-greasy formula, even out the skin tone, very affordable, SPF 30 PA++ rating, brighten up your skin. And the thing I don't like about the product is it doesn't gives any coverage. It doesn't cover dark circles and any spots. It comes in only one shade. So this is the issue with this product. How you like my review? If you already been try this product, then how is your experience? Please comment down below. Thank you so much for your time. If you like my video, then give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. See you next time. Bye.